What's going on, Social Cam? Today is June 11th, 2012. It's is it 3:30 ish, almost 3:30. I'm at work today from 11 till 7:30, and it's raining outside. I think it's still raining. Yeah, it's kind of light, but it's raining. Is it still raining? Yeah. I wish it would pour. It looked like it's trying to. It just ain't quite get there yet. I'm walking around looking at stuff. I usually do this when it gets boring. They put some fucking mini Pepsis in the machine. Real cola tastes 6% less sugar. Black one. Apparently they ain't no different than the. Somebody need to clean this box up. Yep. Somebody at the window. Yep, come on, rain. Don't get my phone wet, but rain. Maybe we can get some lightning or something. I ain't got nothing to talk about. Maybe I'll make another video later. Till then, peace.